Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to get your DeepSeek API key. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. Now to get your DeepSeek API key, you need to type here DeepSeek first and search for it. You can see it is very first website. Simply click on the link. You'll get this sort of a page, and here you need to click on Access API. So you can see I got a login form here, but I will log in using Google. So simply click here. Put a Gmail ID and password. I'll skip this part. Now once you're logged in, you'll get this sort of interface. Now here on the left hand side, you need to click on API keys. Then click on create new API key. Give it a name. I'll make it free. Click on create API key. Now pay a very close attention here. It is written here, please save this API key somewhere safe and accessible. For security reasons, you won't be able to view it again through your account. If you lose this API key, you will need to generate a new one. So you better save it in a notepad or somewhere safe. So just click here to copy and click on done. So this is my API key. Now if you want to change the name of the API key, you can click here and you can make it free to and save. You can see the name is updated. In case you want to delete it, simply click here, then click on revoke, and we are done. So I hope you understood how to get your DeepSeek API key. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.